It's a 2016 Cadillac SRX, the luxury SUV with more than a solid foundation. Show off a stylish touch as you approach. The side fender vents illuminate with a signature glow. Novel features are backed up by the features you desire most, including the Cadillac CUE information and media control system, Bluetooth, Sirius XM satellite, and HD radio. It also offers connectivity on the go with OnStar with 4G LTE and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. The 6-speed automatic transmission with performance shifting and driver shift control in combination with the 3.6-liter V6 engine offers an engaging experience, and they'll watch as you leave mesmerized by energy-efficient LED tail lamps. Both style and practicality exist in this Cadillac SRX. Come in for a test drive.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.